please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Let's take that to our fundamental guest. We also have Mr. S.P. Tulsian of sptulsian.com as well as Anand Tandon joining us this afternoon. Good afternoon, Mr. Tulsian. We'll come to the market in a bit, but first, your thoughts on Dish TV.
See, we have been giving our neutral view on the stock in spite of this Videocon entity being acquired by the company, because if you really see that probably the acquisition by Dish TV of Videocon has been seen on an expensive note. Now the equity will rise with this merger to a great extent of Dish. I don't have that exact data that how much it will rise to. And in fact, the kind of competition which we have been, in fact, market is probably not able to take the assessment or the ground development which has been happening, where Reliance Jio will be seen the big competitor for all this. Whether you talk of the DTH or you talk of the cable kind of people and all sort of things. So that will be seen quite a big competition coming in for these companies. So maybe Dish TV having acquired, because Dish has been seen at a stagnation, and they wanted to grow. Naturally, they have all jumped to, maybe if you want to say that now they are number 1 to 4 positions, and maybe the position from 5th starts for the second player, but still that is seen to be quite expensive. And I don't think that again after having acquired this, maybe with the increased equity taking place for Dish TV, the growth will again be the question mark for the Dish TV going forward. So I won't be taking a positive call. We are keeping a neutral stance, and in fact neutral to mild negative stance on Dish TV.
Okay, Mr. Tulsian, good afternoon. Today, even the strong stocks have fallen. Your thoughts on Eicher Motors? Do you think it's just a case of valuation issue, or do you think the market was genuinely worried about their sales numbers?
See, I think it is more the disappointment, because market is expected that probably they have come in the zone of 70,000 plus monthly sales kind of things for Royal Enfield, and that has seen having slipped to about 66,000 or so. But I think that has to do more with the one-time issue, maybe because they have the chromium plating kind of problems in their plant, and that has seen this kind of a reduction in the sales. People have started comparing on a relative basis with TVS Motor showing a growth of 40% in two-wheeler space, if I'm just talking, or if I just take a call, though Hero Moto has not come out with the numbers. So market were expecting that probably you will be seeing a good growth coming in on YOY, maybe to the extent of about 30-35% or 25-30%, and even on a month-to-month basis. And this has to get accepted that if Eicher reports the sales of less than 70,000 for any month, that is not going to get tolerated by the market and accepted, and rightly so, because if you are paying such a hefty valuation or hefty price for the stock, you expect the company to grow. But I won't be taking disappointment with this December numbers, because I've said that there has been some kind of issues of the chromium plating division, which has seen this production cut, or maybe lower production and lower sales in the month of December.
Okay.